And Barnes and Glenn were speaking with Cricket Jamaica. Now it's a swim or sink situation for the Reggae Boyz as they get ready to face Curaçao in a must-win game in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifier at the National Stadium on Tuesday starting at 8 p.m. The Reggae Boyz are tasked with one mission, and that's beating Curaçao. That mission culminates on Tuesday, November 18. That's 2 days after the nation first witnessed World Cup qualification 28 years ago. History has not been lost as the players are aware of what is at stake and are ready to create history of their own.
I've seen some videos of, that time, and it kind of made me realize a little more how, important it is for the country and, what's at stake. Obviously there's pressure. It's just another game of football. We're confident in what we can do. We're confident in, the squad that we have. So, we have to go into this game with the right attitude and mentality and, like I said, get the job done.
With the Jamaicans facing a must-win situation, it makes the match one of the biggest, if not the biggest, of their career.
It's a big game. Probably the biggest game that some of us will ever play in. And that's the beauty of football, but we have a chance to achieve something great for the nation, especially in a difficult time. I think it makes it a bit more deeper, so we're looking forward to it.
This is the biggest game of all of our careers, I would say, of our lives. I mean, send the country to the World Cup. Last time we went was 28 years ago. We want to make new history here, and we will make new history here on Tuesday. That's what we have all been working for, really focused, and this group has a lot of chemistry, a lot of good vibes, and we're all excited for Tuesday.
Despite dropping a point behind Curaçao going into this game, defender Ian Frey says the confidence is high and there is no need to lose hope.
This is a resilient country with amazing people. I know that from personal experience from family and always coming down here when I was younger. And this team, if you look around, this is probably the most talented Jamaican squad of maybe all time, you could say, in terms of personal players. And we just need to bring that all together, and I guarantee you it'll happen on Tuesday, and we'll send the country to the World Cup.
There is a chance that midfielder Casey Palmer, who missed the game against Trinidad and Tobago, could return for this game.
Everybody's ready. Everybody understands the mission. Everybody wants to be a part of this. Casey was injured. He came in. He was carted out for the first game, so he came back. He wanted to join us. So everybody understands their role and everybody wants to be part of this.
Curaçao could be without head coach Dick Advocat on match day as he left the team on Saturday due to personal reasons. But Damari Gray says they are not reading too much into his absence.
I don't really think you need to watch them things, What they've got going on is their problems. I think in every camp, nothing's ever perfect. We just need to keep our eyes fixed on ourselves, worry about what we need to do, and play our game.
The winner of this game will go straight to the World Cup, while the runner-up could go to an intercontinental playoff.